Welcome to DIY Tech. Arris Cable Modem Setup. Connect the coaxial cable from the cable wall outlet to the cable connector on the rear of your SPG 8300. Connect the Ethernet cable to any Ethernet port on the rear of your SPG 8300 and the Ethernet port on your PC or laptop. Connect the power adapter to the power port on the rear of your SPG 8300, then plug it into an electrical wall outlet. Check the front panel LEDs on your SPG 8300. After a brief pause, both LEDs should light up solid green. Verify SPG 8300 connectivity by accessing the Internet using the connected PC or laptop. Set up your Wi-Fi network connection. Download Arris Surfboard Manager mobile app. Download the Arris Surfboard Manager mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Arris Surfboard Manager mobile app and follow the prompts to configure your SPG 8300 Wi-Fi network. Connect using your mobile device. Access the settings screen on your mobile device and then select Wi-Fi, wireless, or connections. Check that Wi-Fi or wireless is set to on. Select the SPG 8300 Wi-Fi network from the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Enter your Wi-Fi network password in the password field and select Join or Connect. This is the password that you set up during the SPG 8300 activation. Open a web browser on your connected computer or laptop. Type 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Next, a login screen appears. Enter your router's default login details. Change the default SPG 8300 Web Manager password located on the Gateway greater than login screen and then click Login to update your password. Customize the default Wi-Fi network name or SSID for your Wi-Fi home network after installing your SPG 8300 and setting up your network connection. Thanks for watching.